Hello there, this is your host, Tony. Welcome back to our podcast. Today, we're diving into the timeless adage, behind every successful man, there's a great woman. We're going to explore the profound impact of supportive partnerships on personal growth and success, and celebrate the women who inspire, challenge, and uplift us. You've probably heard the saying, behind every successful man, there's a great woman. It's been around for decades, and for good reason. It underscores the importance of partnership and mutual support in the journey to success. But what does it truly mean? And how does it apply in today's world? Let's delve into this fascinating topic. At first glance, the phrase might seem to relegate women to a supporting role, but a deeper look reveals a celebration of the vital role women play in the success of their partners. It's about acknowledging the strength, wisdom, and resilience of these incredible women. Support comes in many forms: emotional, intellectual, practical. A great woman provides all these and more. She's a sounding board, a cheerleader, a confidant. She's there in times of triumph and in times of struggle, providing a steady presence that bolsters her partner's resilience. A great woman is more than just a support system. She's a partner in the truest sense of the word. She shares in the dreams, the challenges, the victories. Her input, her perspective, her strength, all these contribute to the success of her partner. In today's world, the phrase takes on a new dimension. It's not just about the woman behind the man, but the woman beside him. It's about a partnership of equals, where both parties contribute to the success of the other. Let's take a moment to celebrate the women in our lives. The mothers, sisters, friends, partners who inspire us, challenge us, and help us become the best versions of ourselves. A great woman can have a profound impact on a man's success. She can provide the encouragement to dream bigger, the wisdom to navigate challenges, the resilience to bounce back from setbacks. History is replete with examples of successful men who acknowledged the vital role of the women in their lives. Let's explore a few of these stories. Recognition and appreciation are crucial. Let's make it a point to acknowledge the contributions of the women in our lives, to express our gratitude for their support and love. A strong partnership can be a powerful catalyst for success. It provides a foundation of support, a source of inspiration, a wellspring of strength. Women play a crucial role in shaping the men of tomorrow. As mothers, teachers, role models, they instill values, nurture talents, and inspire dreams. The phrase, behind every successful man, there's a great woman, continues to evolve in today's society. It's a celebration of partnership, of mutual support, of shared success. That's all for today's episode. Remember, behind every successful man, there's a great woman. Let's celebrate them, let's appreciate them, and let's strive to be worthy of them. Until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep appreciating the great women in your life.
When you're buying a home or business, you check on the roof, age of HVAC, termites, but what about your sewer pipes? Not fun to find out after you move in that you have a sewer problem that can cost you $12,000 or more to repair. For as low as $195, Tony's Drain and Sewer can do a sewer line video inspection, running a camera inside the sewer line, revealing the condition of the sewer pipes. This will reveal current and potential issues in the sewer pipelines, avoiding expensive surprises in the future. To inspect your drain, there's only one name, Tony's Drain, at tonysdrain.com.